Alright, so in this next tutorial, we're going to just be moving around and navigating your session. Just learning some quick keys that will be useful when you are editing. Firstly, if you click anywhere on your session, maybe your playhead is around here, and you want to return to the beginning of your session no matter where you are, just hit return. If you're on a Mac, it would be return. If you're on a PC, it would be enter. You'll notice that the playhead has jumped to the beginning of your session. Like I said, my beginning of my session is at 50 seconds. Yours will likely say 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. All right, the next thing is tab. Say your session looks something like this. Hitting tab, it will jump from where your playhead is currently on your selected track to the nearest clip bound. So I'm on track audio 1 and my playhead's around here. I hit tab. You'll notice that your playhead has jumped to the first clip bound over here. If I hit audio track 2, I'm before the clip bound here, and I hit tab, it'll go to my clip bound right there. Now if you hit tab again from the current track that you're on, it'll jump to the next clip bound, which is the end of this clip. We're going to learn a little bit more about separating clips later, but for now I'm just going to quickly do this for the sake of showing you tab. Say you have 2 clips on one track like this. Tab is a really useful tool you can use to move from one clip bound to another. Tab, tab. Now you'll notice I'm over here. Hit tab again, and you're in the next one over here. If you have fades on your clips like this, which we'll be making another tutorial, this is a clip bound here, and this is a clip bound here. The start and the end of your fade are all clip bound. So if you hit tab here, and you hit tab again, it'll bring you to this clip bound, not to the end of the clip, because tab is for moving between clip bounds. Another useful quick key is escape. You'll notice when I'm hitting escape, it moves and toggles through your top toolbar over here. Now right now I'm using Smart Tool, but we will be getting into each individual tool by itself in our next series of videos. Alright, so other than that, we of course have our delete, which is if you want to select any clip and you hit delete, that will remove the audio clip from your session. If you want to delete a fade, same thing, select the fade and delete, delete. All right, another one is T and R. This will be very, very helpful, is zooming in and out. Of course, there's also this tool over here that we will go into later. But if you hit T, you're zooming in to any region. Where your playhead is where it's going to zoom into. So if your playhead's here and you hit T, it'll zoom into where your playhead is, and if you hit R, it'll zoom out. So that's everything for this tutorial. The next ones will be going more in depth with our toolbar over here and moving clips around.